This is the 18 volt Bqss quarter sheet sander from Milwaukee. This is their first sheet sander in the M18 range, and it's available now at its.co.uk. This is an ideal tool for anyone into remodeling or carpentry. If you're looking for a greater finish on your woodworking, this is a perfect choice. This sander gives you the best of both worlds, with a strong power output of 11 to 13,000 OPM, but there has also been focus on low vibration levels, making this pretty comfortable to use. That said, the output is very easy to control using the variable speed dial at the top of the tool. An orbit sander seems to be the preference for most people when it comes to sanding nowadays, but one thing with an orbit sander is that it is circular, whereas with a sheet sander, you've got the square base there, so it can get into any corners and can help a lot when it comes to finishing. Like all Milwaukee tools, this thing has quite a name to live up to, and it does exactly that, featuring all the bells and whistles you come to expect from Team Red, including their RedLink technology. Now, if you're unfamiliar with what that is, RedLink is essentially the way of the tool and the battery communicating with each other, which stops overloading and overheating. Out of the box, the tool comes with a durable dust bag and a universal hose adapter that will fit a massive range of vacuums. With this 18 volt Bqss quarter sheet sander, Milwaukee have added yet another tool to their M18 range, which is proving why it is one of the fastest growing tool ranges in the industry. You can check out more from ITS and more from Milwaukee over in the Milwaukee Superstore at its.co.uk.